Universal, the greatest name in motion picture history, brings you the Universal Studios Sound Effects Library, a classic collection of motion picture sounds never before released. Sounds from movies like Jaws and Earthquake. Sound Ideas, in cooperation with Universal Studios, has remastered over 1,000 sound effects, all available on 5 compact discs covering a wide variety of categories such as vintage aircraft, from the Blue Max and the Great Waldo Pepper. Western sounds from Clint Eastwood's High Plains Drifter. Space effects from the well-known TV series Buck Rogers and Battlestar Galactica. Military sounds from the Battle of Midway. You'll also hear the all-familiar fight scenes from Universal's action films. And special effects created by Universal. Plus even more sounds, including exotic animals, volcanoes, monsters and werewolves, underwater effects, and the helicopter used on the TV series Airwolf. The Universal Studios Sound Effects Library is truly a classic collection of motion picture sounds, and the library is exclusively distributed by Sound Ideas.